Let's simplify this, and this is division. This is a fraction bar, so it is division. By the quotient rule for radicals, I can write this as the square root of 40x to the fourth over 2x. Now let's go ahead and simplify within the square root. Let's simplify the radical, in other words. I'll have the square root of 40 divided by 2 is 20, and then x to the fourth divided by x, or x raised to a power of 1. Remember your quotient rule for exponents. Here you subtract exponents because you're dividing. So this is x raised to the power of 4 minus 1, or 3. So now let's simplify this radical. To do so, we want to write the square root of 20x cubed as the square root of some perfect square factor times another factor. In other words, 20 is 4 times 5, and I know 4 is a perfect square. X cubed is x squared times x, and I know x squared is a perfect square. So notice 4x squared is a perfect square factor, and then 5x is not. Also notice that this product is 20x cubed. Let's go ahead and write down our answer then. You can take an extra step and use the product rule and write this as the square root of 4x squared times the square root of 5x, because that's really what's going on here. But what is the square root of 4x squared? Square root of 4 is 2, and the square root of x squared is x, and then I have the square root of 5x that stays under the radical. So this completely simplified is 2x square root of 5x.